You too, what's going on? It's your boy D Sauce and I'm back with another banger, man. I know I've been missing, man. I've been missing. Found out I had COVID at one point, so you know, we just been on quarantine. Decided to come out today, finally get out the house, on the water, away from everybody. See if I can catch some fish, man. So, man, I appreciate all y'all for staying with me, man. It's gonna get better over time, so you know, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. Appreciate you guys for all the support. More bangers coming, man. Let's get on these fish. Let's go.
So you been catching any perch over?
It's trash. I went yesterday. Trash. The water not flowing right. Oh yeah. A nice one. Nice one. What is it? Oh. Oh.
You probably got a catfish.
Oh. Big cat.
Yep.
Big blue too. Sheesh. Oh. Oh, big blue. Go. Go, that's a big blue. Sheesh.
Yep.
Hold up. Sheesh. Yeah. I got one. Crappie. Got a crappie. Okay, well, I'll call you back. Okay. Got another one. Oh yeah. It's a nice one. Let's go. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Got one. Ooh, that's a monster. Ooh, look at my pole, y'all. Oh my God. There gotta be another cat. Yup. Yup. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Come on, Big Blue. Come on, Big Blue. Yeah. Hello? What's up? Ooh, yeah. Damn, I missed him. Crappie.
Hey.
Hmm? Oh,
You want me at that?
damn, stopper gone again. Hold on. Hold on, my stopper gone again. Ooh, perch. You say what now? Damn.